And the key, the one thing that changed everything, the one thing that skyrocketed my profits, the one thing that turned me profitable was the other day. I have just finished up live trading, and all of a sudden I get a DM into my Instagram of this one guy commenting to my story where I just posted that, yo, made like $1.4 thousand trading NQ, or NAS 100. And he was like, yo man, that's just so nice to see. But he also asked me like, how the hell you're so young? Like, how are you managing to reap these profits? How are you managing to get these profits? And because he told that he was in a stage where he was not making money, but he wasn't losing. Okay, so break-even stage. And I literally told him that, bro, keep it up, bro, because the break-even stage is really good. I used to be in that, and you just gotta keep going, because the thing that I'm about to tell you changed my life, because I understood this early. It changed everything. Okay, whatever I do, it is much more easier to do, and much more easy to accomplish something, because I use this one tactic, one single thing. And I'm gonna tell you, but I first need to tell you my story because it aligns with that. Okay, so when I started day trading, I was 14. I know, super young, but I'm still really young. I'm about to turn 18. But yeah, I started with crypto futures because I had this one friend in middle school who was trading crypto futures. He wasn't profitable, obviously, but he told me that I should start because it can actually be really profitable industry to be in. And I was like, okay, fine, let me try this, because I literally saw him make like $20 or like $10, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna try. And I put $50 into an account. I made $70 with that, and I was like, wow, this is crazy. I want to continue because this actually can work. But then I obviously lose it because I made $70 with $50 account. That's obviously over leveraging, but yeah, and that's the reason why I lost the account later. But that gave me the blueprint, that gave me the psychology hit that this actually works. Then I proceed to start day trading fully. I started to learn strategies. Failed a lot because I used to learn from bad people, bad gurus, and fake trading gurus, forex gurus. But later I start to form this one strategy. I start to take something from this guy, something from this guy, and it started to make some sense in the markets. And time goes on. I start to flip burgers in this one restaurant. Okay, flip burgers in this fast food restaurant. Okay, to gain some capital to my live account. And then once I got some money, I started to buy funded accounts. And with those funded accounts, I started to make some money. Obviously, first I lost them. First I failed. But then I started to get money from those funded accounts. And boom, I moved the money to a live account. And at this point, I'm trading Forex. And the key, the one thing that changed everything, the one thing that skyrocketed my profits, the one thing that turned me profitable was me enjoying every single moment, enjoying the process. And because I enjoyed the process, it allowed me to wake up every single day early to trade on London session, on New York session, when I used to trade Forex, okay? I used to trade GBP USD, GBP JPY, gold. And I used to be grinding, okay? Wake up every single day, hyped. I was so hyped, man. Showing up to the market because I know that it works. And I've seen people do it themselves. So that gave me the motivation and literally me enjoying the process. And once I realized that enjoying the process allows me to do more hard work, I start to literally use this enjoy the process method to other aspects of my life. Literally nowadays, I'm recording videos, for example. I enjoy the process. I enjoy recording videos. That's why I will be at the top of the game, top of the trading industry. That's just how it goes, because I enjoy the process. The competition, I'm not sure do they enjoy the process, but I enjoy, okay? And I'm improving my language. English language is improving, but that's what you gotta do. Enjoy every single second of your life and the process of you doing hard work, okay? Because that allows you to really see some good process. Because think about it, there's a guy who does 100% once a week, but there's a guy who does 50% every single day, and he's going to succeed. The other guy who does every single day, even a little bit, he's gonna succeed. But the other guy who does 100% once a week, once a month, he ain't gonna be shit. So please take my advice and do not just take my word. I know, literally, you can go on Google, you can go on YouTube. Multi-millionaires are saying this. They are saying this, that you gotta actually go all in. Okay, do every single day and learn to enjoy the process, okay? Obviously, I'm not saying that enjoy. What do I mean by enjoy? It doesn't mean like you can just do something and do what makes you happy. No, do something that actually brings you results and learn to enjoy the process. Okay, that's what I mean. But yeah, regardless, you get the point. Back to the topic, back to the story. Once I moved the money to the live account, I quit the job. I quit the flipping burger job because that money in the live account started to make me some pretty good money. Okay, at that point, obviously not the money that I'm making now. 2 days ago I made $1,400. But yeah, I started to see some really good process in the account, and I started to compound that account. And I'm gonna skip the story a little bit. Nowadays, so far, I've been profitable consistently 1.5 years. I'm not here to flex on you. I'm just showing you that it works. I'm documenting my life that it works. Day trading fucking works. Okay? But it's hard. It was hard. It was fucking hard. There were times when I wanted to quit, where I wanted to just say, fuck this shit. But sometimes when you're not seeing the progress immediately, you feel like giving up. But you have to understand one thing, okay? When you work a normal job, you know that you're gonna get paid. It's a linear process, okay? It's a linear process. But in trading or in business or whatever, YouTube, the progress doesn't get immediately, okay? You do not get consistent payouts. You do not get consistent. First you lose. First you have to learn. But then later, it doesn't turn linear like in a normal job. It gets like this. Boom. It's a snowball fucking effect. And I've seen it. I was losing for 2 years straight. Now I've been profitable for 1.5 years. Okay, enjoy the process. And what do I do now? I still trade every single day. I live trade with my students in the Discord. I teach it. I make sure that my students are, making money, learning, becoming independent, profitable traders. But I also teach it for free. If you want to join for free, it should be the first link in the description. But yeah, man, you gotta learn to enjoy the process, okay? Doesn't matter if I would have the magic pill to give you, the best trading strategy. If you quit along the way, you're not gonna make it, obviously. Learn to enjoy the process, even though sometimes it hurts. You're not seeing the progress. Remember, it is not linear progress like in a 9-to-5 job. It is snowball. The snowball effect starts to kick in. If you made it this far, comment down below value. And as usual, I will see you on the other side. Peace out.